Okay, good. Okay, and still some students' cameras are off, so switch it on before we start the class. Okay, students are requested to switch on their camera. Anmol Kushwaha. Okay, so today we'll be starting the chapter 6. Okay, we'll start the chapter 6, that is on page 45. Okay? The lesson name is Annie of Green Gables. Okay, Annie of Green Gables. This is an extract. Extract meaning I have already told. Who will tell me the meaning of extract? Extract. This lesson is an extract. In every lesson, we are doing an extract. What is the meaning of extract? Is Sanskriti?
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Sanskriti.
Means extract means any part taken from the story, from the long story.
Yes, good. A small part when we take from a long story, that is known as extract. Good, very good, Sanskriti. Okay, so in every lesson we are doing that type of question also. Extract is taken, a small line, small paragraph is taken, then questions are asked based on that. Okay, so here we'll see this lesson is an extract. Okay, lesson 2 also that we have studied, that comes to plum tree. That lesson was also an extract taken from Three Little Men. Okay, so here we'll see lesson 6, Annie of Green Gables. It is also an extract taken from Annie of Green Gables, a novel. Okay, it is a novel. From there it has been taken. Okay, and it is written by Little Lucy Maud Montgomery. Okay, it is the full name. And she is well known as L.M. Montgomery. Okay, the short form is given here. L.M. Montgomery means when she writes a novel, book, or something, the name what is published there, it is not not Little Lucy Maud Montgomery is not written, but the short form is written L.M. Montgomery. Okay, and she was a Canadian author. Okay, she was from Canada and best known for her series of novels beginning in 1908 with Annie of Green Gables. Okay, she is very famous for her series. Series means she has written many novels. Okay, named Annie of Green Gables. Okay, Annie is the name of a small girl. Okay, of Green Gables. Green Gables, it's a name of a place. Okay, the girl belonged to this place, and she has written series of books. Okay, first book, second book, third book, like that. She has written many books, and she is very famous for this series. Okay, she is very famous for these series, and this book was an immediate success. Means very soon as the first book published, it became very famous and it was very successful. People liked it. The books were sold out immediately. Okay, so it was a big success for her. And the title character Annie. Okay, the title character here, that is Annie. She is a little orphan girl. Okay, Annie Shirley. Annie Shirley is the full name, and she is an orphan girl. Orphan, you all know, whose parents are no more. Okay, she is an orphan girl, and she made Montgomery. Montgomery is the name of a place. Okay, sorry, Montgomery is the name of the author. Okay, author who has written this novel. Okay, this little girl, she made Montgomery very famous in her lifetime and gave her an international following. Means all over the world, people read this novel, and she was very famous for this particular series only. That is Annie of Green Gables. Okay. So here we see the beginning part of the novel. Okay. In second lesson also, Nat comes to Plumfield. There also we had seen the beginning part. So here also we'll see the beginning part of the novel. Okay. Now can you see in your book on page 45, there are 3 pictures given. Okay, 3 pictures are given. Okay. Can you guess what it is? By looking to these pictures, two imagination comes out. That is your imagination, that how you look at the picture. Can you guess what is the picture given in the first one? What is given there? Is Pragyandeep?
Ma'am, in the first picture, dog is given. In the second picture, girl, and in the third picture,
Third picture? Okay, so Pragyandeep, imagination is that in the first picture he has seen a dog, okay, and in the second picture he has seen a girl. Okay, third picture he was not able to recognize. Okay, Aradhya, what do you see in this picture?
Miss, ape-like structure.
What?
Miss, ape-like structure. Apes.
Like structure. Okay, third one. Okay, good. In the third picture, Aradhya sees an ape-like man. Okay, good. Yes, Siddhant, what do you see in the first picture?
Miss, cats.
What do you see?
Miss, 2 cats are there.
2 cats are there. Yes, 2 cats are there. If you see from a different view, you will see 2 cats. Not only a picture of a dog is given, but you can see 2 cats at the side they are sitting. Okay. Yes. The next picture, Arush Verma. What do you see in the next second one? Except woman, what you can see there?
Means there are 2 women actually. Means one is like this and one is facing towards here.
Okay. No, one girl is there and another thing is there. Can you see that? Not 2 girls, one girl, and if you see carefully, there is one animal. Who will tell? Can anyone see that? Just imagine something. Something is there. Yes, Nilesh?
Good morning, Miss.
Morning, Nilesh.
Miss, the girl is having the body like butterfly.
Body like butterfly. Okay. So you see it just like a butterfly. Okay, that is your imagination. Okay. Anything else? Sanskar?
Ma'am, the second picture is of guy's pee.
Picture of a?
Guy's pee.
Again?
Ma'am, Gispy. Gypsy.
Okay, gypsy. Okay. That same thing. It's a girl only, gypsy. Okay. Any other thing? Except girl. Any other idea? Anyone can guess what you can see? Adarsh Yadav?
Miss, eagle.
A
Eagle.
pigeon.
Miss, eagle.
Say it loudly.
Eagle.
Eagle. Okay. Yes. It looks like eagle also. And whereas I see a sheep there. Can you see that sheep? If you see it closely, this is the here. It is a mouth here. Okay. And this is here. This is horns here. Can you see that? It is a sheep here. If you see it, okay, that's so, okay, that is your imagination, how you look at the things, okay. Third picture, can anyone guess what it is? Except an ape. Is Haziq?
Ma'am, squirrel.
What?
Ma'am, 2 squirrels.
2 squirrels. Okay. Except 2 squirrel, anything else? Is Siddhant?
Miss, one man is wearing a jacket.
One man, yes, Eskimo. From the back side, just see. That is an Eskimo wearing a full long jacket. From the back, you can see. And the rest part is that is the snow. Yes. Okay. So that is your imagination, your way of seeing the things. Okay. In the same picture, you have seen two things, or somebody has seen the third picture also. Okay. So that is your way of looking at the things. Okay, the way you look at the things, you can imagine different things. Okay, so here in this, okay, so here it's written, our eyes help us to see the world around us, but not all of us use our imagination to look at the world in a different way. Okay, so through our eyes we can see the world, and it is our imagination how we look at the world or at the different things. Okay, so here in this story also, in this extract, we'll see that there is a girl named Annie. Okay, Annie is an orphan girl, and this novel is set in the place in the country named Canada. Okay, there the story is set. And Annie, who comes to live with an old man and his sister, they were expecting to adopt a boy, but land up with Annie. How the man reacts to her and how she makes ordinary things seem beautiful by using her imagination. If somebody's mic is on, switch it off. Okay, so here, this chapter we will see that a small girl named Annie Shirley. Okay, Annie Shirley, she's a poor orphan girl, and she comes to Green Gables. Okay, Green Gables, it's the name of a place. There she comes to an old man. Okay, to an old man and to his sister to live with them. Okay, but this old man and his sister, they were expecting a boy. Okay, they were expecting to adopt a boy, but in the place of a boy, this girl lands there. Okay, this girl comes there, and how the man reacts. Okay, what was his reaction on seeing this girl in the place of a boy, that is given here. Okay, and how the small girl look at the different things, and she imagines things differently. Okay, suppose if she sees a small flower, she resembles flowers to something else. Okay, because she has a beautiful imagination. Okay, through her imagination, she looks at the things in a different way. Okay, by using her imagination, she sees the things in a different way. When we see a pen, we see only a pen. Okay, when we see a mountain, we see only a mountain. But this girl, when she sees a mountain, she imagines mountain is just like a big elephant. Okay, that is her imagination. Okay, so here we will read the lesson, and we will see how the small girl, she looks at the different things, and then she imagines it very differently. Okay, so now I'll read the lesson paragraph wise, and when I'm reading, you also read looking at your book. Okay, Matthew Cuthbert and the sorrel mare jogged comfortably over the 8 miles to Bright River. Okay, Matthew Cuthbert. Okay, Matthew Cuthbert is the name of an old man. Okay, it is the name of the old man who was about to adopt a boy. Okay, so he was going to the station. Okay, and the sorrel mare. Sorrel means, so meaning is given here, a light reddish brown horse. Okay, he was riding a wagon. Okay, he was riding a wagon, and wagon was led by a horse. Okay, the horse was light reddish brown color. Mare. Okay, mare jogged comfortably. What is the meaning of jogged? Meaning of jogged. Yes, Parth.
Miss jogging.
Jogging. Jogging means Set your camera properly, Parth. I'm unable to see you. Yes.
Yes. Jogging means slowly walking.
Slowly walking, yes. To walk slowly, okay? And jogged, okay? Jogged is the past tense of jog, okay? J-O-G, jog. Jogged is the past tense of jog. And the meaning of jog means to run or walk slowly, okay? To run slowly as a form of exercise, okay? People go for jogging in the morning, okay? So they are running slowly, that is jogging, okay? So Matthew Cuthbert, okay, Matthew Cuthbert, he was riding his wagon, and the wagon was led by a light reddish brown mare. Mare, we all know that's a horse, okay. And jog means it was running slowly, just like jogging, and comfortably over the 8 miles to Bright River, okay. The distance from their house to the Bright River. Bright River is the name of the station. Okay, Bright River is the name of the station, and the distance was 8 miles. Okay, so it was the horse was jogging, means running slowly and comfortably. When he reached Bright River station, the long platform was almost deserted. The only living creature inside being a girl who was sitting on a pile of shingles at the extreme end. Now we see that when Matthew Cuthbert reached the Bright River station, okay, the platform was very long and it was almost deserted. Deserted meaning, what is the meaning of deserted? Arohi. Good morning. Your voice is not coming, Arohi.
Deserted means empty of people.
Empty with people. Okay, good. Okay, that means there were no people. Okay, empty. Already we have seen this word in lesson 5. Okay, deserted. I have told with no people inside. Okay, so the platform was deserted. No one was there except who was there? There was a girl. Okay, the only living creature inside. Okay, only one living being was seen. That was a girl, and she was sitting on a pile of shingles. What is the meaning of pile? Meaning of pile. Yes, Haziq. Yes, Haziq.
Ma'am, what?
Meaning of pile, P-I-L-E, pile of shingles. Here it's given, so I'm asking the meaning of pile.
Ma'am, not.
You don't know. Okay, I have already told in the previous lessons. Okay, Anmol.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Meaning of pile.
I'm not knowing. Ma'am, I have to ask that what is the meaning of deserted?
Deserted means empty. Nobody was there. Mute your mic. Kritika Chaudhary.
Ma'am, to put things up on the top.
Yes, to put things on the top of the other. Okay, keeping one on the other. Okay, pile. Okay, so there was a pile of shingles. Shingles meaning is already given. Small round stones. Okay, dher tha wahan pe. Okay, a pile of stones. You must have seen when some construction work is going on, people bring piles of small stones. Okay, they keep it at one place. Okay, so there was a pile of small stones and the girl was sitting on top of it. Okay, at the extreme end. Extreme end means at the far end, the last end of the platform, there was a pile of bunch of small pebbles were there, and this girl, she was sitting on the top of it. Okay, she was sitting there. Matthew encountered the station master and asked him if the 5:30 train would soon be along. Okay, Matthew encountered. Encountered means that is given here. That's meaning is given here. That is met. Okay, Matthew met the station master, and then he asked to him that if the 5:30 train would soon be along. He asked if the train which arrives at 5:30, okay, still time is there, whether it is coming soon or not. Okay, he asked whether the train is coming at 5:30 or not. Okay, next page. The 5:30 train has been in and gone half an hour ago, answered that brisk official. But there was a passenger drop off for you, a little girl. She is sitting out there on the shingles. Okay. Then the station master, he replied, brisk official. Brisk means, what is the meaning of brisk? Meaning of brisk. Prashant? Prashant Singh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What is the meaning of brisk?
Busy.
Busy. No, it's not busy. Nilesh?
Miss energetic and
Energetic and
Miss inactive.
active. Yes. Energetic, active, or quick. Okay, quick in reply. Okay. As Matthew Cuthbert asked the station master if the 5:30 train would be coming soon, immediately the station master replied. Okay, what did he reply? He replied that the 5:30 train had already reached how much time before? It has already reached here 30 minutes ago, half an hour. Okay, that means 30 minutes before only the train had already reached here, and it had gone also. Okay, the 5:30 train has been in and gone. In and gone means it has already arrived, and it had left also half an hour ago. Before half an hour only it has left. But there was a passenger, and he also added that in the train there was a passenger came down, okay, dropped off, okay, from the train. One passenger came down, and the passenger was a little girl. The passenger was a little girl, and that girl is sitting there. She is sitting out there on the shingles. He pointed towards the girl who was sitting on a pile of small stones. He pointed that this girl only, she got down from the train. Still I can see some students cameras are off. And Suyesh, any problem? You made a crying face. Suyesh Vasa, your camera is also off. Camera is still off. Many students are there, cameras are off. Why? Okay. Okay, so he added that, he said that the 5:30 train had already reached the station and it had left half an hour ago only. And from the train, a small girl, a little girl came down, and the girl is sitting on the pile of shingles there. I'm not expecting a girl, said Matthew blankly. It's a boy I have come for. He should be here. Mrs. Alexander Spencer was to bring him over from Nova Scotia for me. Now, Matthew Cuthbert, he was very much surprised when the station master told that a girl came down from the train. He was very much surprised. Okay, Matthew blankly means he was blank, he was confused, surprised, because he said that he was not expecting a girl, because he said that he was expecting a boy. He came to the station to receive whom? He came to the station to receive a boy, not a girl. So he was very much surprised that how come a girl came by the train. And he also added that Mrs. Alexander Spencer, she told that she would be bringing a boy, not a girl. that was her responsibility to bring the boy here from Nova Scotia for me. Okay, Nova Scotia, it's a name of a province in Canada. Okay, in Canada there is a province. Do you know what is the meaning of province? Meaning of province? Anyone? Yes, Sanskriti.
Miss, where adapted children are kept.
No, 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 it's not that. Okay. Arohi wants to say yes. Arohi. Yes, Arohi.
Occupied by one of the constituent district of the nation.
Say it again.
And the territory occupied by one of the constituent administration district of a nation.
Okay. Yeah, it means that province, there are some part in some of the countries that they are divided into small places and they have their local government. Means they are not governed by the central government. Okay, in some countries there are some small places, okay, small parts. They are known as province. Okay, the province are governed by their local government. Okay, they are not governed by the central government. Okay, so this Nova Scotia, this is also a province in Canada which has their own government. Okay, they are not governed by the central government. Okay, they have their own government. So from this place, Matthew Cuthbert, he was expecting that Mrs. Alexander Spencer, she would be bringing a boy so that they can adopt him. Next para. Guess there's some mistake, he said. And Mrs. Spencer came off the train with that girl and gave her into my charge. Said you and your sister were adopting her from an orphan asylum and that you would be along for her presently. Matthew groaned as he turned about and shuffled gently down the platform towards her. Okay. Now we'll see that Matthew Cuthbert, he was very much confused because he was expecting a boy and a girl came. Okay, so he said that I think there is some mistake, some confusion is there, some mistake is there, and Mrs. Spencer came off the train with a girl, and the station master said that Mrs. Spencer, she came with a girl only. She did not bring a boy, but he was very sure she came with a girl. She got down from the train with a girl only, and she handed over the girl to him, to whom she handed over the girl to the station master. Okay, she gave her into my charge. Okay, so the station master told that he thought that there is some confusion because Mrs. Spencer, she came with a girl only. She got down from the train and she handed over to the girl to the station master, and she very clearly said that you means Matthew Cuthbert and his sister. They would be coming soon and they would be adopting this girl because they were expecting a girl from an orphan asylum. Okay? Orphan asylum. Asylum means here it's given an institution to take care of people. Okay, institution, NGO or something which takes care of the orphan people or poor people. Okay, so she would be bringing a girl from that asylum, and that you would be along means Matthew Cuthbert would be coming after some time to the station for her presently. Presently means here it's given soon. Okay, that means Mrs. Alexander Spencer, she came with a girl only and she got down and she handed over the girl to whom? To the station master. And she very clearly said that Mr. Matthew Cuthbert and his sister, they were adopting a girl from the asylum, and very soon they would be coming to the station to pick her up from the station. Matthew groaned as he turned about and shuffled gently down the platform towards her. What is the meaning of groaned? Meaning of groaned. I have asked in the last period to read the lesson and underline the words and get its meaning. But I see very few of you are raising your hands. That means others have not done it. If people get holiday, so it's a holiday only. Siddhant?
Miss, to show that you are unhappy.
To show that
You are unhappy.
you are unhappy. Okay. Yes. Rudrani? Yes, Rudrani? Voice is not coming better. Check your mic.
Deep sad voice.
To feel
In a sad voice.
sad voice. Okay. Kiara? Yes, Kiara? Yes, Kiara, answer it. What is the meaning of groan? Are you able to hear me, Kiara? Are you able to hear me or not, Kiara?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, I can hear.
Yes, tell the meaning of groan. Okay, I think that your network is very weak. Yes, Suyesh.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning.
Miss, the meaning of groan to make deep sad sound because you are in pain.
Okay, to make deep sad sound because somebody is in pain. Okay, yes. Okay, so here groan means to make a deep or sad sound like when somebody is in pain. Okay, so here and groan is the past form of groan. Okay, groan means to make deep sad sound because you are in pain or to show that you are unhappy about something. Okay, to show that somebody doesn't like something. Okay, to show that something is not happy for something, unhappy about something. So here Matthew Cuthbert is not in pain, but what is the meaning here? He made such deep sad sound because he was unhappy. Unhappy for what? Because he was expecting a boy to adopt, but instead of a boy, who came there? A girl. Okay, so he made a deep sad sound as he turned. When he turned towards the girl, he made a deep sad sound and shuffled gently down the platform towards her. Shuffled means shuffled. Meaning of shuffled is Aditya Nayak. Aditya Nayak, unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the meaning of shuffled? Yes, meaning of shuffled. You don't know. I have already told to find the difficult word meanings. And instead of sitting and paying attention, what were you doing? Putting emojis in front of your name, isn't it? I can see from here. So better pay attention and study. Yes, Pragya Rai.
Miss, to walk and slide.
Walk and
Miss, slide.
slide. To walk and slide.
Your feet.
2 feet. Okay. Okay, mute your mic. Supriya Ranjan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
To move your body or feet around because you are uncomfortable or nervous.
Uncomfortable or nervous. Okay. Here. Okay, that's little correct. Yes, Kritika.
Ma'am, to walk by sliding your feet.
Walk by sliding your feet. Yes, that's correct. To walk by sliding your feet instead of lifting your feet and walking. Many times few people also walk the same way. We people say to you, lift your legs and walk, isn't it? You people make sound by dragging your feet on the ground. Okay, that is shuffling. Okay, so to make sound through your feet, because you slide your feet and that makes some sound. Okay, so Matthew Cuthbert, he turned towards the girl and he made a deep sad sound because he was unhappy. He was not lifting his leg and walking because he was little puzzled, confused that what to do now, because he was expecting a boy to adopt, but a girl came there. She had been watching him ever since he had passed her, and she had her eyes on him now. Okay, the girl who was sitting there on a pile of shingles, she was continuously looking at Matthew Cuthbert since the time he passed from there, because in front of the girl only Matthew Cuthbert went towards the station master to find about the train and if somebody got down from the train. So from that time the girl was looking at him only. Okay, now if you have any doubt you can ask. We'll finish your class today because my class students will be coming to collect the copies. Okay, if you have doubt, you can ask. 5 minutes are left. Yes, Kritika. Yes, Kritika.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning.
Ma'am, I want to ask that in my English second copy, ma'am, written lesson first is not done because Miss, I have written second chapter first and then I have written lesson first chapter, but I will do it.
Okay, then complete your work. Okay.
Ma'am, do it and you will check it also.
Yes, do it afterwards. When again in July your copies will be submitted. That time I will correct it. Okay. Yes, Parth.
Miss, I can come to take the copies from the school.
Classes will be there, so better send your parents to come and collect. If your parents are there, send them. No need of coming because you will miss the class.
Ma'am, my father is there, but he cannot not stays the floor now.
Okay. Okay, you can come. Your house is nearby.
No, ma'am. On medical college.
Okay. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done the word meaning. Then also you have checked also. Then also at last you have done the question mark and you have written the word meaning.
Which chapter?
Was in summer assignment.
Summer assignment you have written word meanings.
I have
Yes,
read
yes.
second chapter first and then I have read lesson, but I will do it. And ma'am, check and
In the summer assignment you have done or in the lesson you have done?
No, miss, in summer assignment in test copy.
In the test copy. Okay, I'll see afterwards. Okay. Is Aditya Nayak?
Ma'am, in summer assignment, ma'am, you're given, ma'am, I'm not done my summer assignment. Ma'am, first one, paste the picture, draw the picture of the following and write 10 sentences about each of the following. Man, Viking and Grappy, where I will have,
Where you will?
I'm not getting, ma'am. That, ma'am. Viking and Grappy.
Now you are asking this when the assignments are checked. Now you will do the summer assignment. It is available on the internet.
Ma'am, I'm searching, but I'm not getting.
Everybody is getting. How some students are not getting, I don't understand. It is there when you type and you will get it. Pragyan?
Ma'am, by mistake, I forgot to submit the physics and geography assignments. So, ma'am, today I can submit.
Today teachers won't be there to collect your assignments now. Correction is already done. Nobody will be collecting now. Talk to your, okay. Yes, Shyansh.
Ma'am, I have done word meaning. By mistake, I have left one page, and also you have written question mark and.
Shyansh Gupta.
Ma'am, by mistake, I have left one page, and I have written next page. And you have written question mark.
Okay, when you submit next time, I'll see that. Okay. Svandita.
Today only we will get our copies.
The 6 step copies will be distributed today. Yes.
Okay, miss.
Yes, Suyesh. Yes, Suyesh Vaswa. Anmol.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I have to ask that out of syllabus something.
Yes, what?
What is our new father name?
New principal's name is Father Binoy.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so for today, I'm ending this class, and your homework is to read the lesson. Okay, to read the lesson and underline the difficult words and find out its meaning. Okay, that is your homework. No written work I'm giving. Okay, word meaning, question, answer. Next term only I'll give. Okay, on next Friday your period is that day I will give. Okay. So for today, have a nice day and keep on learning. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.